Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kohlberg from Unlimited Robotics, and in this video I will talk about electrical resistance. Electrical resistance is the property of a material to resist flow of electrical current. Every material has the feature to resist electrical current flow. Certain materials have many free electrons and the resistance to current flow is low. These materials are called conductors. Other materials have very few free electrons and they block current flow. These materials are called insulators. Other materials have high resistance to current flow but still allow current to flow through them. Definition: electrical resistance is the property of a material to resist a flow of electrical current. Resistance is marked by the letter R. The electrical resistance depends on four features. The length of the conducting wire. The more length the conductor has, the more resistance it has. Cross-section of the conductor. The bigger cross-section the conductor has results in less resistance to current. The type of material the conducting wire is made of, and the temperature of the conducting wire. The electrical resistance unit is ohm and is marked by the Greek letter capital omega. The third feature, type of the material, determines the resistivity of the material. That is, the resistivity relates to the strength of forces the electrons are tied to the atoms in the material. Comment: as mentioned before, the type of material determines its conductivity due to the different number of free electrons. The more free electrons, the better conductivity it has. Definition: resistivity of a material is the resistance of a conductive wire made from the same material with a length of 1 meter and a cross-section of 1 square millimeter in a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Next table presents the resistivity and temperature coefficient of different materials in a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The symbol of resistivity is the Greek letter rho. Resistivity is in direct proportion to the conductor's cross-section area and in inverse ratio to its length, meaning that rho equals R times A divided by L. The units of resistivity are ohm times square millimeter divided by meter. This is a table that shows us the resistivity and temperature coefficient of several materials. For example, if we'll take iron, its resistivity is 0.12 and its temperature coefficient is 0.005. Example: a wire is 2 meters long with cross-section of 3 square millimeter and resistance of 2 ohms with temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Calculate its resistivity. Answer: from the table, we find that rho 20 degrees Celsius equals to 0.22 and rho equals R times A divided by L, and that means that L equals R times A divided by rho. If we substitute the given data in the equation, we get that the distance L equals to 1000 meters. So the wire length is 1000 meters. Thank you for being with me in this video, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.